This is what 2 weeks delayed package looks like. Just if you didn't know. Not sure why it was delayed 2 weeks. They were actually here and just decided to leave. And yeah, don't know what happened there. But anyways, we got it. About 2 weeks later, here she is. Thought it wasn't supposed to come glossy, but since it's already glossy, awesome. I don't even recall if the product label said it was glossy. I just looked at it, saw the style, liked it, and bought it because I've been wanting a pair of these so bad, and I finally got it. And that's why I was so impatient when my package got delayed for 2 weeks. I was like, "Argh!" I'll probably just put it up on the car just to see a reference, and then I gotta figure out how I'm even going to mount this guy, because it doesn't seem like it came with any kind of installation screws or anything, so I don't actually know. So here I am grabbing my favorite degreaser alcohol and hitting the back of the louver with 120 grit sandpaper. So I'm going to be sanding down the back of the louver where I'm placing all my adhesive strips. And this is going to help the sticky adhesive strips bond to the louver better than if you didn't sand it down. At least I believe so. And then I hit it with some rubbing alcohol to make sure it's finalized and clean. Then I will peel in place like so. Fits well. So now we're going to clean our glass real quick so that our adhesion strips can bond really nicely to our glass. I'm going to start at the edge and work our way along this weathering strip. Don't forget to clean the tops as well. Same method as the bottom. Just follow the weathering strip, peel as you go, give it a little snip. So here I got these plates off of Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and scuff them up too. Just placing some Loctites and then putting it on the screws. And we're practically done at this point. Finger tighten them first and then go by with your wrench and just give them a little crank. And that's it.